Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to extract hidden tags, thumbnails, descriptions, and statistics from any YouTube video. And the best part is, it's completely free. Before we jump into it, please hit the like button and subscribe. And definitely check the description for some helpful tools I've added for you. To get started, open the YouTube Metadata Viewer tool using the link I've added in the description box. Once the tool opens, as you can see, there is an input field labeled YouTube video or channel URL. You can paste a video link, channel ID, or handle here. Now, go to YouTube and find the video you want to analyze, whether it's a popular video in your niche or a direct competitor. Copy that video's share link. Come back to the tool and paste the link directly into the input box. Then click on the red Extract Data button. The tool will instantly process the link and generate your extraction results. It displays a clean information card showing the video's thumbnail preview, full title, channel name, and real-time stats including views, likes, comments, duration, and publish date. If you scroll down, you'll see a dedicated description section that displays the video's full description box for easy reading and referencing. Right below that, in the tags section, you'll find every hidden tag and target keyword used in that video arranged neatly into individual badges. You can review all the exact SEO keywords your competitors are using and implement them in your own videos to grow your channel.